I know that so many women, and I'm sure this probably includes you, really struggle with lunches. You get the kids sorted in the morning, send them off to school with a lunchbox. You don't think about yourself. You don't think of actually making yourself a lunchbox. And then you get to lunchtime and you go, I just don't know what to have. So I'll just have a piece of toast, or I'll just have some crackers. And then you're tired and you're grumpy in the afternoon and you haven't nourished yourself and you're probably craving sugar. So what I'm sharing with you today a really, really simple lunch idea that will literally take 5 minutes, but it's so tasty. It is nutritionally balanced, so it's got all the different food groups in that you need to keep you sustained. It's something that you can just have in the cupboard, in the freezer, which are really quick and easy. And as I said, it tastes amazing. My name is Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. I literally just want you to have healthy options available so that you're feeling better, so that you've got the energy and you've got the what it needs to take to deal with the challenges that come during the day. So what I'm making today is it's a concoction of avocado, tuna. If you don't like tuna, you can swap it out with chicken, soya beans, so edamame beans, and then some other flavorings. And it is just amazing. So all I'm going to do is scoop out half a avocado, and then I'm going to quickly mash that in my plate. Now tell me, do you struggle with lunch ideas? I would love to know. Is lunch something that you often forget about, don't have time for, don't know what to have, and you just have toast or something like that? Now I have got some tuna here. I just use the tuna in spring water without all the flavorings, without any oil, so that keeps it really nutritious and better for us. I've got some coriander. I'm throwing in some coriander, some edamame beans. So these are the shelled ones. Sorry, but without shell. I just buy them from the supermarket. They are a great form of protein. I just soak them in boiling water for about 5 minutes before I jumped on here. So you've got your healthy fats from your avocado. You've got your protein from your tuna and your edamame beans. And then you've got some good grinding of salt and pepper. And you've got your flavour from your coriander. And then I'm just going to add a sprinkling of lime juice. That is all that is in this concoction, and it is, you could put some rocket in here. You can put you could put a hard-boiled egg if you don't want the tuna. There's just so many different ways that you can use this mixture. And then all I do is put it on rice wafers, or you could put it in a wrap, or you could put it on toast, or gluten-free toast if you're gluten-free. But the thing is, it's so delicious, it's so quick and easy. You can make a couple of days worth, have the rest left over in the fridge, and then you are done and dusted. Now, if you are struggling with making healthy eating a priority, you don't even know where to start. On Monday, the 29th of August, I'm kicking off a free 5-day challenge, 5 tips to kickstart your healthy eating habits. I would love you to join me. Over that 5 days, we're going to look at 3 daily habits which are going to give you instant wins. It's what I do every single day, and I know that I am nourishing myself. And then over the rest of the week, I'll do a daily video on my tips on how you can make healthy eating more sustainable and achievable. So we'll talk about how to do it when you're time poor and exhausted. We'll talk about how to do it on a budget. I'm going to talk about the secret to that will radically improve your health that nobody is talking about. So if you are keen to join me on that, the link, I'm going to put the link in the comments box below, but it's wickedwellbeing.com/healthy habits. As I say, I'll put the link in the comments box below. It's just 5 days. You've got it's completely free. You have got absolutely nothing to lose and only great things to gain. So Thank you so much for joining me. Can't wait to hear what you think of this combination. And it's just so easy and, and just tastes amazing. Okay, thanks for joining me. See ya.